Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a brand new Facebook account in 2025, especially to access and use Facebook Marketplace. So make sure that you stick around till the end for a tip on how to make your account eligible for buying and selling fast. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for facebook.com. Once you are here on this page, you will see this login tab, but since you want to create a new account, you need to click on the option of create new account. Over here, you need to fill out these details that includes providing your first name, your last name, your date of birth, gender, then your mobile number or the email address and your password. After filling out all of these details, simply click on this sign up option here in the bottom. Then you will receive a verification code on your email address or the SMS, whichever method you have selected over here. You need to enter that code on the next page when prompted to activate your account. Now, once your account is activated successfully, you need to just simply log in, then click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, then click on your profile option. Over here, you need to upload a clear picture and add the information about yourself and your city. This particular method actually builds trust and helps the marketplace approvals. Now, after doing this step, you need to come back here on the home page of your Facebook account. Here in the left hand section, you will see the Marketplace tab. So once you click on this Marketplace tab, you will be able to get access to the marketplace settings like the location, buying and selling options. You can also create your own listings. So first of all, you need to click on this location option in the top right hand corner of the screen, enter your location and click on the apply option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you are done, you can click on the create new listing option and start adding your listings over here, and you will be able to ready to buy or list your items. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.